Hey, this is Mr. Swift, and this is your back to school video about my classes. So here we are. This is room 231, and this is the STEM lab. So come on in, and I'm going to show you around and tell you a little bit about myself and the classes that I teach. Let's take a tour of the STEM lab. The STEM lab is not like a traditional classroom. This is a place where we highly encourage students to collaborate and work together. We offer a variety of workspaces, as well as shop tools and materials for students to use in their projects through the engineering and STEM classes. You will also see that there are a row of desktop computers. There's also a 3D printer, a vinyl cutter, and a laser engraver cutter that the students will be learning how to use as well. All right, after that quick tour, let's go ahead and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about my classes, who I am, how to get a hold of me, and all the other questions you'll have about Mr. Swift's classes. This is that time I'm going to tell you more about my classes. So let's get into it. So in this quick video, I want to tell you about myself, talk to you about the classroom experience, the classes I teach, and then how to get a hold of me. So, my name is Jesse. This is a little bit about my family and who I am. My wife is a teacher at Bell, so education is important to our family. My kids go to school here in the Golden community, and we are a very active family. When I'm not with them, camping or going to soccer games or going bike riding, I like to watch science fiction movies. And then our dog's name is Chewy. He looks like a little bit like Chewbacca. But they're in my life when I'm not at school and I'm not with them. I'm on my bike or I'm out having some fun with friends. But as far as teaching goes, I've been at Golden High School. This is my 5th year. And I've been teaching for 15 years. The first 10 years of my career, I was at Bell Middle School. My background is in STEM content. I've been a science teacher, I've been a math teacher, I've been a technology teacher, and now I'm currently an engineering teacher here at Golden. But I got my undergrad in civil engineering, and then I proceeded to get my teaching certification in science, and then I got my master's in technology and education. So when it comes to STEM content, I'm way in, and I love it. Now, one of the other things that I do when I'm not teaching at the school, I'm also one of the mountain bike coaches for the school. So cycling and is really important to me, and I really like going out mountain biking with students. So, all right, now I'm going to tell you exactly what the specific classes are like. I do teach 5 different classes, and my block 2 is Engineering 1, block 3 is the AP Computer Science, block 4 is Engineering 2, block 5 is my Makerspace class, block 7 is the Bike STEM Engineering class, and then my homeroom is when I do the STEM capstone class. So I'm going to cut now to specific videos for each of the classes. So sit back and enjoy. This video is for Engineering 1. When I was younger, I thought engineering all had to do with trains. So this class is really a course for students to explore engineering and get to know several of the different types of engineering careers that you can pursue. In this class, students will learn the engineering design process, and they'll apply that process through multiple projects and activities through the semester. So some of the projects that you'll work on in this class is you'll learn about technical drawings, you'll learn about structural design and analysis, you'll learn soldering and electronics, you'll also learn 3D printing and some CAD, as well as learning about hydraulics and simple machines. There will also be some 3D printing challenges. For instance, in the past, we did a catapult challenge. So in this class, you will be working with others and you will be working independently. Your work will be graded on your collaboration and your teamwork and your participation. You'll also get your classwork and some quizzes graded along the way. Then also projects through reports, projects, and some presentations. Materials that you're going to need for this class. You're going to want a mechanical pencil because you'll do a lot of drawing. You're going to want a straight edge. You're going to want a computer mouse to make it easier for your CAD. Headphones are really helpful for listening to videos. I also recommend some glue or Elmer's glue. And then a hot glue gun is really nice to have too. So in this class, students will be using Chromebooks. One of the things I want to say is make sure your Chromebook is charged. Bring your headphones, your wired headphones, and then also make sure you have a mouse for using your Chromebook as well. I want to tell you a little bit how to get a hold of me. You can contact me first through email. My email is jaswift@jeffcoschools.us. You can also reach me during my planning blocks, which is 1st and 6th. You can always come by the classroom, stop by, ask questions, see if I can help you out with anything. All right. Now, like I said before, I am in room 231. That is also my office. And if you need to, you can always give me a ring. The phone number here at school for me is 303-982-4292. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach me one of those 4 ways. All right. I want to thank you for coming and watching these videos, virtual back to school night. And I'm looking forward to teaching in the class. I'm looking forward to working with you. And I hope I answered all your questions. If you have any other questions, please feel free to get a hold of me. But there are going to be some links below, and those links are specific presentations for each of the classes, or maybe a website for the class, or maybe another additional video for you to watch for the class. So please click on those links below. And I want to say goodbye. I'll see you in the next few days, and go Demons.